Hello, in front of me I've got Ford Mondeo. In this video I'll show you how to set navigation route. In the beginning take a look at the screen display and next go to navigation. Now go to destination input, select country, city, street, and then number. Calculate route, select between route eco, fast and short,
The route has been calculated.
and it's done. If you want to stop navigation route, go to navigation and select stop. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.